Also, like, the only part of my room that is currently clean is like my bed.
They call me a god.
Okay, good morning, hello. It is a long weekend here in Australia and I'm just deciding to vlog because I have so much that I need to get done and I'm just not ever doing any of it. Like, it's really bad. So that's why I am vlogging. As you've seen already this morning, I have edited a video, I've scheduled it. So Monday's video is like done, it's prepared, we're all good. My goal for this weekend is to edit one video a day. So I edited mine already today, then I need to edit one tomorrow and one on Monday. So then I can be in advance, because for those who don't know, I'm going to Europe, and while I'm over there, I don't want to be having to like edit and post over there, so I need to be ahead and have shit pre-filmed. So that's the goal. But I am going to the shops with my friends today in like, I don't know, I think I have to leave in like an hour. So I have about half an hour to clean my room up a little bit because it is trashed. I'm currently like living between two houses. Like a kid of divorce, but not a kid of divorce. I just have a boyfriend. So I'm like living part-time at his, part-time here. So my room here is trashed because I keep taking things out, I keep bringing things back, and I'm only here for a short amount of time. Like this weekend is the longest time I've been here in like 2 weeks. That's fucking crazy. So yeah, we need to clean this up a little bit. So I've got half an hour to like make my room look a little bit better. So fingers crossed we can do it. I'm gonna start with my get ready station here on the floor because I just got ready with all my makeup, so I'm just gonna pop all this away right now. It's literally been sitting on my floor for over 2 weeks, maybe even 3. I don't actually fucking know how long this has been here, but it's been here for so long, so I'm gonna quickly pack that all away. All right, the little sit down space already, that's just a bag of rubbish. That is stuff from, I actually don't know if the video is up already or not, but otherwise a video coming soon, another Shein one, I know. But we are going to try and tackle this bed, like make my bed, so at least this is done. Okay, this is the fit of the day. Actually, let me come over here. There's more room to stand. This is the fit. I haven't put my belt on yet because like it's all ground. I just have a plain white singlet on underneath. This is the fit, and I'm wearing, you can kind of see them just sitting at the top there. They're navy, so hence the navy jumper. Also, like the only part of my room that is currently clean is like my bed and like this side of the floor. This got really messy because I took everything out of that suitcase and just dumped it on the floor because now in here is just my clothes for Greece. This is not the suitcase I'm taking, but it's just easier if I put all my clothes that I'm wearing for Greece in that bag, because then I just know where it all is. And also like I don't have to go through and like hang it all up and then pull it all down in literally like a couple weeks time. So it's just all gonna sit in there. So this corner still needs to be cleaned, and then like literally this is, so most of it's just shoes. Like if I just, let me just quickly, okay, actually let's not just talk shit out our ass right now. Let's, hang on. Let's, sorry. I know these pair right on the bottom here. Then the shoes missing from this. Yes. What are we missing? Ah, these Vans. Oh, didn't know that was on the floor. My Vans are missing from here. My Connies that are in the car, which that's kind of annoying, but they're there. And then, oh my god, these Vans. See what I mean? But I'm just so bad at like putting things away. Like if I just put them away after I use them, I wouldn't have this issue. And then, not that I actually have a place for all of these shoes, but it's fine. These are my gym shoes. These could low-key stay out. But like, in here. Uh-oh, what's going on here? These go there. And then another pair goes there, which, oh my god. These pair. And like, that already looks a tiny bit better. Like, that's already like, I don't know what I'm doing with this red skirt. But like, they can go there. Just chuck the red skirt on top. Like, that looks better. Go me. I have a little bit of time before I have to leave, so I'm going to quickly just take my bin out. Because I actually don't know how long this bin has just been like sitting here for, because obviously I've been like living between houses. Like, I don't know, like, but it's also full, so we're going to take that out. Show me your shopping bag.
Wait. The eye roll is insane.
Sophia, where's your shopping bag? You've lost it.
Child. Wait. Baby.
Oh, show us your new Uggs. Show us the new drip.
Oh. Should I do this? Do this.
Hold on, she's got to get the shopping bag.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, this is her shopping bag. It's actually mine, but she claimed it in Mecca and I haven't gotten it off her. I'm trying to do an OTD for my YouTube.
Oh. What's inside the bag?
He wanted me to come shopping to look after you, isn't it? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god, there's still the price on the bottom of your Uggs. Whoopsies. Whoopsie daisies. Oh. 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 Who is it? Is it Sophia? Oh, you're showing them your shopping? Pardon? Yes, Simo is going to play footy tonight. We're going to go watch Simo play footy. The girls are outside my car somewhere. They're trying not to get hit by cars. Worst guys. Look, you can see that's Ashley. She has no idea what I'm doing. Anyways, giving you a haul real quick of what I bought. Okay, I got... There you go, you can see her now. I got 2 piercings for my bully. Me and Sky got matching one. She got a pink one, I got a blue one. And then I got this one. I got something for my DEF CON outfit, which I can't show you because if Trouble watches this, he's going to give it away. I almost bought more from Bros and Things, but I didn't. And then, oh, it smells like a man in this bag. Sophia and I were testing all the perfumes. I got my level 2 beauty loops stuff. It is a moisturizer. I don't know what a serum. And then minis. Catch me taking this with me overseas. I don't know where Sky is. Oh, hold on. We're going inside the house. Okay, hi guys. It's actually Monday. Yesterday I deadass did nothing except for go to Vivid. Yeah, that was fun. But I'm currently at Troubles because I'm in a bit of trouble because I haven't done my laundry and he's on his way back and he needs to do laundry when he gets back. So I need to do my laundry like now. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna quickly do some laundry. As dumb as this is about to sound, I'm gonna FaceTime my dad because I'm actually so confused right now. Does that sound stupid? I know it sounds stupid. Washing machines scare me, okay? I've caused one to circuit out before. Now they freak me out. Alright, washing machine's on. I'm going to deal with this. Okay, put it in the dishwasher. And then I think I need to sit and edit because I haven't done that yesterday or today yet. Whoopsies. Alright, update time. I have no idea how long I've been editing for now, in all honesty. But I've edited 8, almost 9 minutes of the video. I have no idea how long this video, like how much footage I have, because it's a try on haul that I'm editing. It won't be up yet. It'll be coming, so subscribe. Freezing. I've just put the heater on for like about 30 minutes because I'm so cold. Like my hands are frozen. So cold. And the heater's literally right above his chair. This is his gaming chair, my secret lab. Oh, I have put my clothes on the line. That is done. I don't know if I already said that or not. He should also be coming home or on his way home. So, guys, I did it. I finished editing this video. It is currently downloading. Oh my goodness, we've done something productive today. I mean, we did do our washing, but like, we did something that we said we were gonna do. Alright guys, that is the end of this vlog. If you enjoyed this style of video or like just a weekend vlog, whatever, let me know in the comments. Obviously, like, subscribe. You've had a little sneak peek at some content that is on its way. And that's pretty much all I have to say. So, until next time, because I know you'll be back, bye!